Why protein matters after exercise.
Protein is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue after a workout. When you exercise, especially with resistance training, your muscles experience small tears. Consuming protein provides the amino acids your body needs to heal these muscles, making them stronger and improving your overall recovery process.
How protein helps muscle repair.
The protein supplies the building blocks called amino acids, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. During workouts, muscle fibers break down. Afterward, protein synthesis increases to rebuild these fibers, strengthening the muscle over time. Without enough dietary protein, this repair process is slower and less effective.
Best timing for protein intake.
Consuming protein soon after exercise maximizes recovery. Research suggests there is a window after your workout, typically within 30 to 60 minutes, when your muscles are especially receptive to nutrients. Eating protein during this period may help jumpstart muscle repair and support better gains.
How much protein do you need?
Most active adults benefit from 15 to 25 grams of protein after a typical workout. This amount promotes muscle repair without overburdening the body. The exact needs can vary depending on body size, training intensity, and goals. Spreading protein intake throughout the day can also help maintain muscle health.
Practical protein sources for recovery.
Great post-workout protein sources include lean meats, eggs, dairy, tofu, beans, and quality protein shakes. Choose foods that are convenient and fit your dietary preferences. Including some healthy carbohydrates with your protein can further support energy replenishment and muscle repair after exercise.